Okay, this wash is on its second wince, and now we're coming up to the third intermediate spin. It's probably gonna do what it did last time, be out of balance, so we'll soon find out. I want to see if it'll go for it. That's why I keep having it on camera. It is. Good water level though. Excuse me. I just want to see if it'll go for it. Yeah, you can tell it's a bit unbalanced. Unbalanced. Come on, washing machine. Happy Christmas. There we go. Is it gonna go for it? It's not spun yet on this wash. It's been playing silly buggers. Is it gonna do it? It's not gone for that. Whoa. Just look at that, that's gone really out of balance. It's gonna spin that now, I think. maybe not. There we go, it should spin that. Come on, Washer, stop playing silly buggers. That's a good one. That's out of balance as well. Come on, you're taking the mickey up. Taking a little bit of a mick today. Not done that, and it's cancelled its spin again. Or that is not spun now. It should have done its third intermediate spin, but it does not like bedding Beckos. Show you my tumble dry now on the synthetics. Been making some like it does something weird. It makes like a humming sound. I think it does. I think it's like blowing out hot air or warm air. I don't know what it does when it does that. But yeah, it's doing some anti-stress drum movements a little bit though. What I do find with these heat pump tumble dries is that toggles on pants, there's not toggles on these, but like toggles with like very thin toggles get stuck in the holes and it jams the drum. And I always have to stop it, so if you ever get a heat pump tumble dryer, you have to bear that in mind, because toggles might actually get stuck, but with towels and stuff like this, it's okay. Like that sound there, it must do something for heat pump tumble dryers. I think it might blow out warm air or something when it does that, because you can smell warm air coming out that drawer. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, I'd much appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.